Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the Altcoin Doctor. Yeah, bringing in the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we will be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart. And as you can see today, we would be talking about Litecoin, right? And as you can see, right, Litecoin ranked 13th with a market cap of $7.24 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $931.21 million. And as you can see, for the month, we are up 17%. For the week, we are up 9.9%. And on the day of recording, we are up about 2.2%. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart. And as you can see, right, we are on the chart for Litecoin versus the US dollars, and we are on the daily time frame. And as you can see, right down from the lows, we have been considering the fact that we were very, very bullish even on Litecoin, and we were expecting to get to the 4104 mark. And as you can see right down, even from this range, we have been, for some of you that has been following us on the channel, you know we have been very bullish on Litecoin because of the coming, right, the things that has been happening recently. And as you can see, since then we have been up a huge amount of about 20%, right? So what's next for Litecoin? We could see some sort of consolidation right here at the current range where we are before we could see some sort of little consolidation, right? Before we see another, maybe just push of about 4%, right, to the upside, and then we could probably see some little corrections, right? But the $85 range must hold, right? And I'll be telling you more reasons why we need to hold this $85 range. If not, we are going to see a huge push even to the downside. First, if we look at our indicators, you would see we're forming some sort of hidden bearish divergence even on the oscillator, right? As you can see, if we connect these three lines, as you can see, just some sort of hidden bearish divergence, right? That means we probably could see some little dump or some little correction even on the chart. Same thing of our money flow. Why we love to use our money flow is that our money flow helps us to give us an idea of what's happening behind the scenes. Is money coming into Litecoin or is money leaving Litecoin? As you can see, we're really not at the top of our money flow, so we could just see some little divergence and see another huge push even to the top, and that's why we are expecting to see price even at the right, even at the 105 region. So right, so for Litecoin, we are expecting to see price even push even to this little 105 region, right? If we move over even to this chart, and this is another chart even for Litecoin versus the USD dollars, even on the daily time frame. As you can see, we are still bullish, and for this, every single time, as you can see, we cross this middle channel, we have been very bullish, and every single time we came below, we were bearish. And as you can see right down, since from the $81 mark, we're very bullish even on the price of Litecoin. And as you can see, since then we have been holding the support, so we could see price come even down to retest this support even at the $94 region before we see a continuous push over to the upside. As you can see, every single time we come back to retest, right, this middle range, right? If you also bring up the indicators here, as you can see, our stochastic is very oversold, right? As you can see, our stochastic is even at the 101 region. The last time we were at this 101 region, as you can see, we had some little push even to the downside, even for Litecoin. So currently, we are expecting some sort of little correction even for Litecoin in the medium to long term, right, before we can load up and see further price target even for Litecoin. As you can see also on our RSI is quite overbought, right? Not very overbought as you should, probably in this area, but as you can see, we're a little overbought, so we probably should be expecting some kind of little correction in the medium to long term before we see another huge push to the upside. Mind you, as you can see, right down even for our oscillator, we need to see some little correction down to the downside for our oscillator before we can see further push even to the upside. Also, if we look at this chart, as you can see, first, right, on this chart we have what we call the altcoin doctors indicator, and this shows us, right, when price is bullish and when price is bearish. Right, it gives us just a clear indication of what is happening to the price of that asset in the medium to long term. And as you can see, currently we have been very bullish on Litecoin right from the $81 mark. As some of you on the channel know, we have been very bullish, and as you can see, same thing with our altcoin doctors indicator, we have been bullish. And this is another reason why we said we could see price push up into the 105, because if we draw the Fibonacci retracement, right, this is the Fibonacci retracement right down from the lows. And as we can see, we're currently holding the support at the one sequence Fibonacci range, right? And we could see, according to Fibonacci, one of the highest points where we could have a reaction is the 1.618. Right, and as you can see, the 1.618 is clearly at the 105.76 region, and that is still giving us, right, another clear indication why we could see another push even to the upside for the price for Litecoin, which is a huge push just of about let's see, so we could see a huge push of about 6%, right, in the price of Litecoin right down to the 1.618. Because according to Fibonacci, right, and the Fibonacci sequence, every time we get to the 1.618, that is where we're going to get a clear direction as to whether we're going to see a huge rejection or we're going to see a continuation to the top. Right, so currently, as we can see, our 1.618 is right down at the 105.76 region, which is what we are expecting for Litecoin in the medium to long term. Right, so we should expect some little push even to the upside. As you can see, this matches exactly what we have here, right, even that at our support level at the 105 region. So as you can see, right, that's the analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. It's your guy here one more time, the altcoin doctor. Do not forget to put in the comments the coins you want us to analyze. Thank you for watching and have a great day.